Today is truly a remarkable day, one of those days that stand out due to the importance of the messages they bring. Your guardian angels have something extremely relevant to tell you about that person who can't seem to leave your mind. He is going through an intense internal conflict, feeling completely lost and directionless. A part of him wants to leave everything behind, to close the door on what happened between you. However, the majority of him does not want to let you go. And this isn't just his desire. The connection between you is so deep that God, in His wisdom, will not allow this separation. You are deeply connected soulmates. Since you met, there has been a significant change in his life. There's no way he can move forward and close that door without ever looking back. It's simply not possible. He is yearning for your presence in his life. He is uncomfortable, anxious to meet you, but for now, he needs to learn to be present in the moment, and to accept what is happening now. The energy between you is definitely conflicting. He is constantly reminiscing about the moments you spent together, the things you said, looking at your photos, remembering the songs you sent. The words you chose and the things you shared impacted him more than you can imagine. This connection between you is unique and special, and certainly, God is working to keep you together because there is something very deep between you. The intensity of this bond stirs emotions in a unique way. He can't ignore it. Every memory, every word said, every gesture exchanged, everything resonates deeply in his soul. You are like mirrors of each other, so different yet so similar at the same time. Everything you said to this person completely changed him, transforming how he understands what it means to communicate with someone, to feel love, and to like someone. And this change was instant. The energy of love between you is extremely powerful. He even imagines marrying you. Look, not everyone dreams of marriage, but he fantasizes about a life by your side. Often, he finds himself daydreaming about you at the most random moments, whether he's in a crowded place, with friends, or seeing a happy couple. He always feels it's not fair not to be with you. You have everything this person desires. There is something in your voice, in the words you choose, that touches him deeply. Every word that comes out of your mouth carries a unique energy that resonates with his essence. Definitely, there's something in the way you flirted that he can't get out of his mind. He can't stop thinking about it, and without you, life is boring. The conversations you had continue to resonate in his mind. The things you said made everything more fun and full of life. By your side, the world seemed more vibrant, full of colors and joy. This person misses you in a way you might not even imagine. Every little thing you said, every shared laugh, everything seems to echo in his head as a constant reminder of how much you made a difference. He realizes that life without you loses a bit of its sparkle, that the absence of your presence creates a void, a gap that nothing seems to fill. He feels wronged when he thinks you can't reunite, but your angel assures you that, no matter the distance between you, there is always love and there will always be a strong connection between you. Perhaps you are dreaming of this person too, imagining what life would be like by his side. Thinking about how wonderful it would be to share the small moments of everyday life, the joys, and even the challenges. Imagining the laughter, the knowing smiles, and the comfort of having someone so special by your side. However, at that moment, something was certainly not right, and now you both are in your own lives, learning to develop better skills to face future situations and conversations. This separation, although painful, is an opportunity for both to grow, to become better versions of themselves. The issue between you two is that there will always be a certain intensity, which can bring difficult moments, but like a stone in the path, we know it hurts, it's hard, but it's always for your greater good. This intensity is a reflection of the depth of the bond you share. It's a fire that burns but also illuminates, bringing out the truest and most authentic parts of you. Every challenge is a chance for growth, every obstacle, an opportunity to strengthen yourselves individually and as a potential couple in the future. There is a sense that it's unfair you are not talking, not being together, but it's necessary. It's absolutely necessary. What exists here is an important pause, an essential separation between you, two souls destined to be together. This pause is not an end but an interval so that both can grow, learn, and prepare for the journey ahead together. The journey of self-discovery is essential so that, when you reunite, you are ready to live the love you deserve. This connection is so strong that God will not allow you to remain separated forever. This person is trying to build his self-confidence, to do a great cleansing in his life, and to find some peace of mind. At this moment, his mind is suffocated by numerous thoughts and conflicts, but soon he will be moving forward, finally ready to speak the truth, to communicate, to present himself. This is really a good sign, as he is finally gaining clarity and feeling good, feeling safe with what he has to say. The current pause is a time of growth and healing. Both are going through important processes of self-discovery and maturity. It is a difficult time but necessary for you to reunite stronger and prepared for a deeper and truer connection. This person is striving to improve, to become the best version of himself. He knows that, to be with you, he needs to be at peace with himself first. And this is a process that takes time, but it is worth it. He recognizes that the journey of self-knowledge and overcoming is essential so that he can be the partner you deserve. This person has been through a lot, and I think that's why you've been so patient, because you know this. You understand better than anyone, and among many reasons, this is one why this person is definitely making a decision. He deeply values your understanding and patience. And the first conversation you will have, this moment of reconnection, this first step, will change everything. It will bring a calm energy. Yes, it will be intense, it always is intense, but it never really ended. You both know how truly painful it was at some point, but for some reason, you are both starting to have hope again. It's like a new light is emerging at the end of the tunnel, illuminating a path that seemed lost. At this moment in both of your minds, the thought is the same: I want to be with you. Even if I try to move on with someone else, even if I try to forget, I can't. I close my eyes and see you, dream of you, I want only you. This connection is something rare and precious, and both feel this intensely. Every shared memory, every word said, every moment together continues to resonate deeply in your souls. The temporary separation served as a catalyst for the personal growth of both, preparing them for a more meaningful reunion. He is working tirelessly to strengthen himself, to heal old wounds, and to prepare for a future by your side. He knows that this internal journey is crucial for you to build something solid and lasting together. You, with your unwavering patience and love, have been a constant source of inspiration for him. Your understanding and silent support are like a beacon guiding him amidst internal storms. He feels this, he knows how much you care and how willing you are to wait. This gives him the necessary strength to keep fighting, not to give up, to believe that a future together is possible. When you finally meet again, it will be as if everything falls into place. You know that feeling that something was missing? Well, it will disappear. This first meeting, this first conversation, will bring a peace you didn't even know you needed. And do you know why? Because you both always had something special. The pain you felt, this separation, only served to strengthen this bond. Now, hope is being reborn. And it's time to surrender to these feelings. When he tells you that he wants to be with you, it's because he really can't imagine himself without you. His dreams are with you. The fantasies, the thoughts, everything leads him back to you. It's a delicate moment, but essential. He is ready for this reconnection, for this new stage. And you? Are you feeling this change in the air? Are you preparing for this reunion? Because everything will change from this conversation. The energy between you will transform. It won't be easy, of course. It never was simple with you two. But this time, it's different. The pain of the past is transforming into something new. Hope is growing. And this feeling of wanting to be together is stronger than ever. The truth is he tried to move on, but he couldn't. And you, even trying, couldn't forget either. Because deep down, you know this connection is unique. So get ready. This decision of his, this first conversation, will change everything. And from there, you will find a new way to be together, stronger and more connected than ever. Imagine the moment when you sit face to face, your eyes meet, and all the unspoken words finally find their voice. The emotion of this moment will be overwhelming, bringing a clarity that seemed impossible before. You will be able to express everything that was kept inside, all the anxieties, but also all the hopes and dreams you nurture for each other. It will be a relief and immense joy to realize that despite everything, your love remained intact, waiting for the right moment to bloom again. In this reunion, every smile, every touch, every word will have a special meaning. You will realize that the wait, as painful as it was worth it. Because now you are ready. Ready to accept each other as you are, with all your imperfections and all your qualities. Ready to face together the challenges that life presents, with a certainty that the love you share is strong enough to overcome any obstacle. And this love, which has always been the foundation of your connection, will become even deeper and more solid. The journey of self-knowledge that you both traveled during this time apart was not in vain. It prepared you for a more mature, more truthful, and more enriching relationship. You will discover new ways to love, new ways to support each other, and to build a life together, based on trust, respect, and affection. So when this moment finally comes, embrace it with all your heart. Allow yourself to feel the joy, the excitement, and even the nervousness of this reunion. Let love guide every step, every word, every gesture. Because this is the moment you've been waiting for, the beginning of a new chapter in the story of you two. And with God blessing this union, there is no doubt that it will be a chapter full of love, happiness, and many achievements. If this message touched your heart, write in the comments, "I am worthy of love and affection, and I am open to receiving the love and support that God has to offer me." Let's continue on this journey together, trusting in God, trusting in the greater plan that He has for us. And remember, you are never alone. God is always with you, guiding your steps, offering His strength and unconditional love. You are a light in the world, and the world needs your shine. So move forward with faith and courage, keep being you, and know that the best is yet to come. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now and don't miss the next video. It has a special message for you. Give us your support by donating any amount through the Super Thanks. This helps us a lot, and every contribution is always welcome so we can continue bringing beautiful divine messages daily. Until our next meeting, stay with God and in the company of your guardian angels. Amen.